Okay, everyone, please look at here. Today we are going to learn about intersection of sets. This is the symbol, okay, like inverted U, not exactly like U. It is a bit shorter, okay. Just we can remember as cap-like structure, but not full cap, half cap, cap-like structure, okay. This is the symbol of intersection of sets. And if we use this symbol, okay, like this, we read as we read this as A intersection B, intersection B, and intersection means common part or elements only. Like for example, suppose if a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and set B is equal to 4, sorry, 3, 4, 5, then we can see that 3 is common here in both the sets, and in the intersection A intersection B, we write that common element only. Okay, this is how we find out the intersection of sets. And in Venn diagram, okay, what we do is we draw the two sets A and B. You already know how to fill up, how to plot the elements in the sets. That common element is written in the sharing part, common part of the two sets, and the remaining elements of the set A is written at the side of set A, at the side of set A only. Remaining elements of set B are written at the side of set B only, like this you already know. Now one thing new is that we have to represent this intersection of sets by shading. Like 3 is the answer, na? Or the common part, in the common part here is 3 only, okay. We do shading on that common part only to represent the intersection of two sets. I think you understand it. Please, please unmute everyone. Now discussion session. How many of you understand
Okay,
this?
sir.
You are
Understand it.
I understand.
you are muted. Please unmute and speak. How many of you understand this?
Sir,
I
understood.
And
Sir,
also,
I understand. Understand. I also. Mommy.
yes, now we are going to learn about union of sets, and the symbol is like this, cup-like structure. Just you can take like cap-like structure is intersection, cup-like structure is union. Cap, cup, cup-like structure, okay? That is called as union of sets. And if we write two symbols with this two sets with this symbol, then we read it as, it is read as A union B, A union B, like this we read. And here we take common elements and non-common also, non-common elements also. Common elements also and non-common elements also. Like you see, suppose same example we are taking A and B, then how we write the, yes, union of the sets is First of all, we can write the common element and non-common elements, remaining elements of set A also, and set B, remaining elements of set B also. We write all the elements, but that common element is not repeated. Only one time we write. Like this, we we find the union of the sets. We can write this in the increasing order also, or like this from here, okay? From here, like this also we can write. We can start writing from here, 1, 2, 3 also. But since 3 is repeated, we do not write it again. And just we write 4, 5, like this also we can write. Two ways. One is first we write the common element and remaining also of set A and set B. Yes. Another way we can start writing from set A. We can write the elements, but while writing the elements of the set B, we do not repeat the same element. Like this, we can find out the union of the given sets. And how we represent in the Venn diagram is, very simple, whatever the elements are here now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we do shading on those elements, okay? Or we can just think as we represent by shading, okay? Where to make shading is in the common part also and non-common part also. Common part also and non-common part also. Like this, we can find out the union of the given sets and represent the relation in a Venn diagram also. I think you can understand it.
Understood.
How many of you
Understood.
understand?
Yes, sir.
How many of you understand? Please, you can raise hand also and speak also.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
Sir.
Please speak also. Do you have any confusion here?
Sir, no, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
If you have any confusion, please ask me.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, and I will ask you, unmute, please unmute. Now, please close eyes. I will ask you a question, try to give answer. How to find out, how to write intersection of two sets? Please try to give answer.
Sir?
Intersection of sets, how to write? Intersection. Cap like.
And you.
How to find?
Sir, cap.
No, how to find?
Cap.
By taking the similar ones.
By taking common elements only.
So it has a common.
Sir, cap. One common element.
By taking common element only.
Common element.
I will ask you one question. Everybody will try to give answer loudly. So,
Yes, sir.
in the intersection of sets, we write, what we write?
And
The similar ones.
Common elements only. Everybody speak the same thing loudly.
Common
element.
Very good.
One common element.
Okay, and while shading, while representing in the Venn diagram, we do shading in the common part only. Everybody speaks the same, please.
When
While shading,
While shading,
elements only.
While selling in the common part only.
Yes. Yes, very good. And in the union of sets, we write common element also and non-common element also. Please speak everyone the same thing.
Union should we write
Union
should
we write common
element
non-common elements.
Very good. And while representing in the Venn diagram, we said on the common part also and non-common part also. Please speak the same thing.
While
When
explaining in Venn diagram,
explaining
here
in diagram,
part also
common set only. Diagrams